Welcome to Guaranty. My name is Eric.Kaneshiro. Today we're going to be showing you a used 2014 Lance 825. This is a used vehicle. We are a Lance dealer and we carry this product. This was recently traded in with us. A couple things about the 825. It is made for a short box pickup truck. So for a Lance, this is very lightweight. It does not have a slide in it, so the dry weight is actually under 2,000 pounds on this thing. The wet weight, if you have it filled with water and everything else, it's just slightly over 2,000 pounds, so it's a very lightweight trailer, or lightweight camper rather. Right through the back here, you notice we have an awning on top. We have the ladder, a heavy-duty ladder attached right here. Coming inside, if you notice, we'll have the bathroom to the one side here. Across from this we have the kitchen, we have a stove, a microwave, your stereo system, your monitoring systems are all up above here. You have your air conditioning unit up above. This does have a refrigerator in it. Refrigerator, little freezer up on top. So your freezer's up on top, your refrigerator's on the bottom. You got a nice queen size bed over here with some storage on the side. You have a U-shaped dinette on this one side, and you have plenty of storage up above. Now this right here, if you notice the netting and everything, you can see the little catches on the side. This will go down into little beds to make a little bunk bed. If we go through here, we have storage up above, and you have a little cabinet behind you there. So this makes it ideal to go camping. This is a really great unit if you're going to pull a boat or something like that. And again, it's very lightweight. That's the one thing that's very unique about this vehicle. Dry weight's under 2,000 pounds. I'll take a quick peek outside. Again, you have the power jacks on the outside. This is storage on the outside, so you have a couple of storage compartments. This is your propane tank right here. So it has a 5-gallon propane tank with a connection if you want to use that for an outside barbecue or grill. Now being a Lance, this is a full fiberglass sidewall, aluminum framed Asdel interior, so no wood in the sides. But again, that makes it lightweight, very strong, very well insulated. Lance is one of your top end campers out on the market. So if you have any questions on this, please call me. My name is Eric.Kaneshiro, Guaranty RV, 541-912-4396. Thank you very much.